In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scenes in Descript, an incredible tool for editing audio and video projects with ease. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's head over to Descript. For those of you who aren't familiar with it, Descript is a versatile platform that simplifies content creation by allowing you to edit audio and video with ease. You can simply open your web browser and go to the Descript website. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up and log in. For those who already have an account, click on the account icon to access your dashboard. This is where all your projects live, and it's your starting point every time you want to begin editing. Once you're logged in, look for an existing project that you want to work on. Just click on one of these projects to open it up. If you don't have an existing project, feel free to start a new one by clicking on the New Project option somewhere on the dashboard. This will bring you to the project interface, where you'll spend most of your time editing. Now, to start creating scenes, you'll want to focus on the project timeline. The timeline is where all the magic happens, as it showcases your video or audio in an easily editable format. Look for the Add Scene icon on the timeline. You'll often find it either at the beginning or the end of your timeline, depending on where you want your new scene to go. After locating the Add Scene icon, the next step involves choosing what kind of scene you want to use. Descript offers several options, enabling you to pick the one that best fits the context of your project. This flexibility allows you to maintain the flow and consistency of your content seamlessly. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can upload a video directly to your project. Simply drag and drop the video file from your computer into the Descript timeline. This method is particularly useful if you have pre-recorded content that you want to incorporate into your project. Once the video is in place, you can edit it just like any other scene, adjusting and arranging to suit your needs perfectly. And there you have it, folks, a simple and effective process for creating scenes in Descript. Whether you are piecing together a dynamic presentation or editing a podcast, Descript has got you covered with its user-friendly features and powerful editing tools. So take your time to explore what you can achieve with this fantastic platform and elevate your content creation game. Happy editing, and see you next time.